Hi guys, welcome to exam pad. In today's class, we are going to solve the algebraic equations. Okay, so the algebraic equation is in division form. So I am going to follow the normal division method. Okay, how we usually divide a number. Suppose for example, 30 divided by 3 means how we have to divide. 1 3 is 3, 0 here 0 is there, so we put 0 here. Is it? Similarly, we have to divide these two equations. So for that, usually we write like this, no? So thereby I am going to write like this. Okay. So the numerator will be written here, that is 30x power 4 plus 11x cube minus 82x square minus 12x plus 48. So this is what given in the question. So the divisible is 3x square, that is denominator. So I'll write this equation like this. So to solve this, first we have to check two numbers. First we have to take this. So first I am going to take that. So I am going to write this as rough work. So 3x square. So shall we use pen itself? Okay, 3x square. So when I will get 30, 3 into 10, I will get 30. When I will get x power 4, x square into x square, I will get x power 4. So I am going to take these two. Okay. Therefore, 10x square. So I am going to write this 10x square. So if I multiply these two, what I will get? 30x power 4. So I am going to write that. Then I will multiply this with this. Here plus is there, here also plus is there. So plus into plus, plus. So 10 into 2, 20, x square into x square into x power 1, then I'll get x cube, is it? So x cube, here minus is there, here plus is there. So plus into minus, minus 10 into 4, 40, there is no x term. So let's write this x square as it. Okay. Now, usually what we have to do, we will multiple these two numbers. No? Similarly, I am going to minus everything. Okay. So minus plus into minus minus, plus into minus minus, here plus, here minus, here I am going to use plus. Okay. Just change the sign I written here. So for this and this get cancelled because the same number, the sign get changed. So the both get cancelled. So 11 minus 20 is what? So I have to write the greater number symbol. That greater number symbol is minus. 20 minus 11, 9. So I write the x cube as it is. Here also x cube, here also x cube. There is no change in the x term. Similarly, if you see here, here minus, here plus, the greater number symbol is minus. So I am going to write that minus here. So 82 minus 40 what? 8 minus 4, 4, 2, 42. Okay. So there is no change in the x. Both are same. So I am going to write this x as it is. So if you see here how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. Here 3 terms. So in this also I have 3 terms. Therefore I am going to drop the another term down. Okay. Let's move to the second term. So here similarly what we followed for previous thing. Here 3x square. When I will get minus 9, 3. Here 3. 3 into minus 3, I will get minus 9. Similarly, x square is there. When I will get x cube, x square into x, I will get x cube. Is it? So, I am going to take these two in multiplication. So, because these two in multiplication, no? So, that's why. So, here minus 3 into x. Therefore, minus 3x. Okay. Now we have to multiply this minus 3x with these 3 numbers. Okay, first minus 3x into 3, x square is equal to what we have to find? minus 3x cube, right? So I'm going to write as it is. Then minus 3 plus 2. So the greater number symbol is what? Minus. So I'm going to write that minus here. 3 into 2, 6. X into x, x square. Is it? So for next term here, minus into minus what? Minus. 3 in minus into minus plus. Sorry, I did a mistake. Minus into minus, here plus. 4 into 3, 12. So there is no x term. So let's write this x as it is. Okay. So this step what? We are going to change the sign of the term. Okay. Now here the sign get changed. The terms are same. The both get cancelled. So if we see here 42, here plus 6, minus 42 plus 6. The greater number symbol is minus. 42 minus 6 what? 42 minus 6. So 3 balance 1. 12 minus 6, 6, 3, 36. So 36 I am going to write as it is. So the x square, both have square. So I am going to the same x square. Okay. So here minus, minus. So the both get added. So the both have minus. So I am going to write minus here. So if I add both to 12 plus 12, 24. Here x is there. So the both the term have x. So I am going to drop this x. Okay, here 3 terms. So I am going to drop another term here. 4 plus 4, 8. Similarly, I am going to find the third term. For that, here what is there? 3. When I will get minus 36. So 3 into 12. I will get what? 36. But what I want here? Minus 36. So we didn't do any changes in this term because this is constant which was given in the question. So I'm going to change the sign of which number I was created. Okay. So minus 12. So then I will get minus 36. Okay. Here in x square. So here x square. So into 1. So there is no change. So there is no need to involve any x here. So let's take this minus 12 as it here. Minus 12. So minus 12 into 3x square I will get minus 36 x square. Similarly minus 12, here minus into plus minus 12 into 2, 24. Here x is there, so nothing is there, so I am write x as it is. Okay. For this minus into minus what? Plus 12 into 4 what? 48. So next step is what? I am going to change the sign of each term. So here plus, here minus. So I am going to write it as plus. Here minus. I am going to write it as plus. Here plus. I am going to write it as minus. Okay. Here see 36x square minus 36x square. Here plus 36x square. The both get cancelled. Okay. The sign is changed. The terms are same. So equal to 0. Similarly, here minus 24, here plus 24xx. So these also get cancelled. So if we see here 48 minus 48, what obviously 0 we know. So we will get 0 here. This also get cancelled. Therefore, I get a remainder as 0. Therefore, we find the answer as what? 10x square minus 3x minus 12. This is the answer for the algebraic expression. Okay. Here this equation will be, this is the answer. Please note down, practice twice or thrice, then you will get a perfect answer while solving in exam. Have a nice day. Bye bye.